My name is Nick Lawton and this is 1972 Mercedes W114 280CE. I've been into cars all my life, since 10, 12-year-old. My dad always had nice cars, always had old Fords. So I got into cars before I should have really been driving cars. Got into trouble driving cars before I should have been driving cars. And then I've just worked hard and always had nice cars, usually old Fords. RS Turbos, XR3Is, got myself a Cosworth. I just love cars. Trucks, anything to do with engines or wheels, I love it. I've always wanted one of these because of the headlights. I just love the headlights. And I've been looking for one, a two-door coupe one, for a long time. Found one on eBay and it's 2 weeks younger than me. So I thought, right, I've got to have it. Struggled getting hold of the bloke who was selling it. Managed to get hold of him. It was from Bournemouth, so it was a day trip to go and get it and bring it back. When I got down there, he was into his cars. It was cut on cut springs, so we struggled to get on back of his recovery truck to bring it back. Got it back, and I just, the exhaust, we took it for a test drive. The exhaust, obviously with it being so low, we couldn't drive it, it was poisoning us. So, as soon as I got it back, my mate who makes the exhaust did me a custom exhaust for it so I could drive it. And it was just a run around for a couple of 3 or 4 years, just so nice to drive. Really nice car to drive. It was rough, but not rotten, if you see what I mean. It was just age-related paint marks, scuffs, paint missing here and there. It was bright yellow when I bought it, so it definitely stood out. And I always thought about, because I like upsetting purists and I like doing stuff my own way, I don't care what anybody says, so I always thought I'm going to paint it in rust. And then I found out about a place what actually makes rusty paint. I have a Facebook page where we're into all those old school retro northern stuff. So I put a post on there saying I wanted to do it. A lad approached me saying, look, I can use rusty paint, I'd love to paint your car for you. So here it is, we painted it in rust. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. And it was just, when you went out in it, somebody drive past in a really nice car, and then you drive past in this, and this seemed to get more attention than like a Ferrari or a Porsche or, you know, like a supercar. It's just a cool car. And people of all ages love it. You know what I mean? It's just a cool car. It's one of them where it's just, every time I've gone to it, it started, it's got me where I wanted to go, it's done what it's supposed to do, and it's got me back home again. I can't actually fault the car. It's better than a new car, to be fair. It runs better than a lot of new cars. It's more reliable than a lot of new cars.